So we got fried chicken, rice and peas right there. Coleslaw. Yo. Let me tell you guys something. Do not come to Jamaica and drive if you can't drive, because down here is a different type of driving. It's a survival of driving. Let me tell you guys something. If you guys have never come to Jamaica, you guys gotta just book a flight. That's all it is. Don't listen to what people say, this and that. Every country has their ups and downs, but it's just beautiful. Huh?
Okay, just be safe. We talk later. Just be safe. We talk later.
Yeah. So you know the big thing around the world and the Caribbean is Jamaica has the best KFC. You know, some people say they don't. But listen here, we have the best KFC. I don't care what anyone says, okay? Simple. That's just all it really is. If anyone has anything different, come to Jamaica and tell me. Do a review. Yep. See that right there? That's the staple of Jamaica. That KFC chicken right there? Mm-hmm. So this is the Airbnb I'm staying at. It's very secured. I like that. And it looks pretty nice from the outside. But I'll show you guys some more when I get inside. So this is the Airbnb. It's nice. Not too crazy. Oh, and they got a view too. Got a nice outside. Not too crazy. It's good. We don't really need much for Airbnb, to be honest. Yeah. You see this? I don't know about this though. These pots look dirty, so that's a downfall right there. That's just not it for me. If you have an Airbnb, the pot's got to be clean. What is this? That's just not it for me. Yeah. Everything is good. Those dirty pots is not it for me. That's just not it. I ain't never seen dirty pots in Airbnb. But other than that, everything else is good. Got some water. Got some banana chips. Coffee maker. I don't drink coffee, so. Let's go explore the rest of this building. See that? No smoking, no vaping. Right now we're gonna go to the top floor and go check out that pool. Honestly, it's hot. Look what I'm in. It's hot. But anyways, I just gotta film all this thing and then I need to get some food. I'm hungry. Juicy beef patty. I must say, this is a nice view. It's a very nice view. Yeah. Oh, they got a pool over there and they got a hot tub over there. Look at that. It's raining over there. Well, it's not raining over here, it's just a little bit raining. Still, this view is nice, I'm not gonna lie. I think that's a gym they have outside. It's a nice view. I see the same thing. You guys need to travel. Stop buying bottles at the club and take a trip. Create some memories for yourself. Spending all this money on shenanigans and don't have any memories. You'll hop on a flight and just see the world. I mean, you'll sit in Toronto, sit in Edmonton, sit in Vancouver, sit in Montreal. Enjoy life, create some memories for yourself. You see the rainstorm over there. Look at the clouds over there. It's pouring like crazy. Mountains, whatever. Now look over here. There's no rain. Sunshine. This is not it. Can't lie, this building is nice. It's nice. I give it a 8 out of 10. You know what I mean? Nothing too crazy. Yeah. Now I need food. Yeah. So right here is my travel essential for when I travel for my YouTube content. So we got the Insta360, we got the GoPro, flash, we charging ports or cords, Osmosis drone, Osmosis whatever, man, I don't remember the name. DI drone. Pack. You need a battery pack, 100%. Oh, travel essentials. This is the best mouthwash. This right here, best mouthwash. This right here is the best lotion, hands down. Body wash, just need a body wash. Black charcoal toothpaste, need this. This right here is the best shoe cleaner with the brush. You need that when you travel. And you need this when you shower. I use this when I shower, I don't care about anyone else. Flushable wipes, you need wipes. You need wipes. Deodorant, need that. And let's go Philips. Philips has the best electric toothbrush. I've had this toothbrush for like 5 years. This toothbrush is crazy, very powerful. Need that too. My luggage, brought some Louis, brought some Off-White. I got these cleaned by my homeboy. I'm gonna put the company. Yo, his work is so good. Got the black Off-Whites, and you know you always gotta have Air Forces. Like for cologne, I don't buy cologne like that. I just, you know the samples they give you? I take all the samples. So this one is Hermes, their new brand, and Chanel. Trust me, you don't need to travel with a big thing of like cologne and stuff like this. Just use the little samples, yo. You're good. You don't need nothing. And then we got clothes. We got some Nikes. We got the undershirt. One set of the black. No, this is white. Where's the black one? Oh, one set of the black one right here. Yeah. And just basic clothing. Some Nike, some designers, Burberry socks. Yeah. This is amazing. I use this for my drones. This is my my wallet stuff with this one. Amazing. Go yard, buy it. And I turned this into my my equipment bag for all my content gear. For all this stuff, it fits perfectly in this bag. Honestly, yeah, it's nice. It's a good bag, hands down. Can't go wrong with that. Go yard. If you guys want to do a collaboration, let me know. Oh yeah, so I ended up going to Louis, and I got so every city you go to, I got the Oilers, Edmonton Oilers. Shout out Edmonton Oilers. I got that stamp. So now I know every city that I go to. Shout out to my boy Isaac for putting me on. So every city I go to, I can fill up my passport with different stamps. Yeah, real passports, not the DH Gate passport. This is from Louis, so you guys don't do that shenanigans. And you know, you can customize it, but yeah, I'm gonna fill it up with major cities that I go to. This is pretty cool. Yeah, I like this. I've had this passport holder like 10 years now. It's good. Trust me. Hi guys. I'm gonna show you my fits. So we got this one, Dior. This is nice. It's alright. We got that Dolce & Gabbana. It's alright. We got Off-White. This one is fire. I like this one. We got that new Amiri. But look at the back though. It's like that, you know? It's fire. We got that Swarovski Amiri. This one is nice. I had to grab this collection. Casablanca. I don't know why I bought this, but this thing is for the culture. Because everybody has it. So I want one. Yeah, that's about it. So right now we're at the grocery store. Yeah, we got a mango cheese. Cuz, what kind of mango is this? Julie. This is a Julie mango, but it's not ripe yet. So yeah, I couldn't film inside the grocery store because the guy told me I can't take photos. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought and how much I spent. Yeah. So right now we are in, what's this area called? Huh?
Vineyard Town.
We're in Vineyard Town right now. Is this considered a... Okay. So right now we getting some food. So this is the place. We get some food right here. So this is the menu, what they got. How's it going? We got some fried chicken. We're gonna go sample it. So we got fried chicken, rice and peas right there. Coleslaw. Yo. So this is the National Stadium where Vibes Cartel sold out. You can't really see it because you really have to be inside to see it. And I don't even have my drone to fly over there. Because I would fly over there to show you guys. But yeah. What area is this?
This is Mountain View.
So we in Mountain View. Hold on, where Dad lives in Waterford. That's not around here.
Waterford is across the mountains.
Oh, okay.
Got a party.
So right now, getting ready to go to an all-black party. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear. I gotta wear something fire though. You know what I mean? I'm trying to figure out what kind of shoes. But I think, I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna wear shorts or wear long pants. Cause it does get cold in Jamaica at night though. I don't know. But I got a selection, all cargos. I don't know, I just love cargo pants. Shorts, long pants, I don't know. We'll see. But I think we're doing the off-whites. Yeah. I got a Louis Vuitton all black, but I don't know. I mean, I always could do these. Or should I do the off-white? What's more comfy? You know what? Since it's an outdoor party, I'm gonna do the sneakers. Yeah, I'm gonna do the off-whites, just because I think that's better. Okay, so the reason I'm gonna do those, I don't gotta wear socks. I don't feel like wearing socks and then my feet sweats. I got nice feet though, eh? I lie. Cheese. Oh, fun fact. When you're buying cheese bun in Jamaica, look at the bun. Because sometimes the bun, they have mold in it and they leave them out. I'm just saying, because I had one earlier, had mold on it. I don't like that. But this one is good. Yo, let me tell you guys something. This is the best thing in the world, yo. This cheese bread right here. See, when you guys travel, get a lint brush. Shit. This is the best thing made in life, yo. I always need a lint brush. So, I'm about to go out right now, right? Okay. So, these are travel essentials when you're in Jamaica, okay? You need a battery pack. That's the one, okay? You need mint, so your breath don't stink, not the gum. Mint, okay? You need the Bliss Tech, so your lips don't dry out, okay? You need a hand sanitizer. This is a must. You need that, okay? Oh, glasses cleaner. That's a must. You need the glasses cleaner. For people that wear glasses, trust me, y'all need that. Let's not forget about the samples. We got the Hermes and we have the Chanel. They're free. You don't need to buy this thing. Hey, just go there and they give it to you for free. So you just spray one here like that. Then you take the next one. Hold on. You spray it right here. And then you just rub it. That's it. Smell good. Yeah. Save some money. That's and last but not least, you need a side bag. That's durable. Good to go. So you can put all your stuff in there and you're laughing. All right. Last thing, make sure your phone is fully charged before you step out. Yeah. That's about it. But and you need money. Yeah. So when you go to these little parties, I don't drink or smoke. So me, I probably bring about, I don't know, $10,000. This is 1,000. But you need money. Yeah. That's about it. I'm on a budget. I'm on a calculated budget because Jamaica is not cheap. It's expensive, you know. Remember I told you guys that. When you do the yeah.